Now, another day, another Taylor Swift story. She's been hacked, apparently.
She has indeed, as we move swiftly on to Taylor. Wikipedia. It's been hacked, and this is what they're having to say about her. They're collaring it on her. They're slithering snake. This, of course, all relates to the whole, you know, the whole Kanye thing. And did she lie? Did she not lie? Calling her Becky with the good lies. But I'm sure everything will be returned to normal fairly soon because she's got people that deal with things like that.
She certainly has. She absolutely has.